Hallelujah! We got some rain, y'all. Y'all hear the rain on the roof of the shed? Hallelujah! It's finally raining. Woohoo! Although the rain and the cloudy day does put a cramper on me separating my worms, because I need light to separate my worms. But thank God it's raining, y'all. Thank God indeed. Alright, y'all. Drop it in the comments. How long has it been since it rained at your place? And how much did it rain last time it rained? I think this is the first time it's rained here in over a month or two.